Today I want to talk about business model innovation. An agreement for a company, a business that is involved in innovation, involved in doing things differently, such an agreement really does need to itself be an innovation. That can be an innovation in its title, layout, format, the way in which it is utilized, meaning it could be on the web, it could be attached to emails, and of course the wording. The wording is the core element, but the packaging is also important, the title, the format, the layout, the design. Now, when you are an organization, a business involved in doing something where you believe that you are in fact a differentiator, that what you have is different from others, then do not assume that the agreements that you need across the board, whether it relates to employees, transactions with external parties, transactions with suppliers, do not assume that those agreements can be generic. Because if they are generic, you can appreciate they're going to look generic, feel generic, and probably not serve to build your differentiation. It's not unlike being so well off that you can have a designer house. Now, a designer house isn't a kit home. A kit home is different from a designer house. So if you're an organization involved in business model innovation, in whatever field it may be, whatever product or service you provide, then the agreements that you prepare themselves need to be involved in being agreements that serve your innovation. Those agreements, in their drafting, involve business model innovation. That's my sunset talk point today. So what it does mean in conclusion is that when you're instructing a lawyer to draft an agreement for an organization involved in some degree of innovation, then sit down, describe what your business is, how you transact with other parties, what is it that you do that's different from others, why you think you need this document, how you will use the document. If you think about all of that, you're going to save money in terms of the amount of time it takes to draft. You're going to avoid having to have multiple drafts of a document. You're going to save time. You're going to get the document quicker. So the old principle of cheaper, better, faster, etc. Meanwhile, enjoy the sunset.